हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Start. Heard Shri Manu Khare, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Shri Rajesh Yadav for the Gaon Sabha, as also learned standing counsel for the state respondents. Full stop para. The instant writ petition arises out of proceedings under section 161 of the UP Zamindari Abolition and Land Reforms Act and seeks a writ of certiorari for quashing the order dated 30/5/2019 passed by the sub-divisional officer and the order dated 3/1/2019 passed by the respondent number 2, the additional commissioner in bracket administration bracket out Saharanpur full stop para. The petitioner filed an application for exchange whereby he sought exchange the land allotted to him on lease with plot number 185. This exchange was permitted on 26/2/2004 by the sub-divisional officer belonging to the Gaon Sabha full stop para. Against this order, respondent number 5 filed a recall application on 4/4/2016 on the ground that the plot in question number 185 was land reserved for disposal of dead animals in bracket Hadwar bracket out and was recorded under class 6 in bracket 2 bracket out in the revenue records full stop. It was public utility land and could not have been exchanged full stop para. The recall application was allowed on the ground that the land having reserved for a public purpose, the same would not have been the subject matter of any exchange, and in any case the entry regarding class of the land would not be changed by the sub-divisional officer full stop para. Aggrieved, the petitioner appears to have been filed a revision, although the impugned order states that it has been passed in an appeal full stop. The revision/appeal has been dismissed by the additional commissioner on 1/10/2019 full stop. Hence this writ petition full stop para. Assailing the impugned order, the contention of counsel for the petitioner is that during the pendency of the revision, he had filed an application for recall before the sub-divisional officer as the order dated 4/4/2016 passed on the recall application of Ram Singh was an ex parte order passed without hearing him full stop. In the revision, he filed an application for withdrawal for the same, but he was not permitted to withdrawing it and it has been dismissed full stop. This, it is contended, is patently illegal full stop. The petitioner had every right to withdraw the revision and to pursue his recall application and is permitting the same. The court below had committed manifest illegality full stop para. The other contention raised is that regarding the land in question, petitioner filed a civil suit wherein an interim injunction has been granted full stop para. It is also contended that the sub-divisional officer has inherent powers also to exchange land reserved for a public purpose full stop para. Lastly, it is contended that since consolidation operations are going on in the village, the recall application filed by the Ram Singh could not have been entertained full stop para. Counsel appearing for the Gaon Sabha has supported the impugned orders full stop para. I have considered the submissions made by counsel for the parties and perused the record full stop over. तो दोस्तों ये हो गया 120 से ज़्यादा की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन। ठीक है, इसमें नाम भी नहीं आए, सिंपल है। ये मनु खरे तो इजी है ना, एम और एन का स्ट्रोक और ऊ की वॉवल मनु खरे हो जाएगा। और तो और कोई नाम तो नहीं है। और कोई नाम नहीं है। ठीक है, तो ये आपका हो गया सिविल मैटर। राजेश यादव, हाँ राजेश यादव है। राजेश आर डाउनवर्ड जे, हाँ जे डाउनवर्ड ही होता है। आर जे और सर्किल, ठीक, राजेश हो जाएगा। और कोई नाम नहीं समझ में आ रहा है। कल एक खड़ंजा नाम आया था मैटर में ना, कल हम बता नहीं पाए थे, उसका डिस्कशन नहीं हो पाया था। खड़ंजा के लिए क्या कीजिएगा, खड़ंजा पूरा बनेगा एक तरीके से, ठीक है। या तो खंजा बना दीजिए, के एन और जे और दैट की वॉवल आफ्टर में जे के, खंजा से खड़ंजा हो जाएगा। या फिर पूरा बनाइए, ख मतलब के डी एन और जे, खंजा ही सिर्फ बना दीजिए, वो हो जाएगा एक तरीके से पूरा। चलिए तैयार हो जाइए डिक्टेशन क्रिमिनल के लिए। पाँच सेकेंड में शुरू करेंगे, ठीक है। स्टार्ट। The present application under section 482 CRPC has been filed by the applicant seeking following relief, para, court, quashing the order dated 17/7/2013 passed by ACJM Court number 2 Muzaffarnagar in criminal complaint case number 152/9 of 2013, Pavan Kumar Goyal versus Devendra Kumar Garg, and order dated 5/12/2015 passed by learned additional sessions judge court number 10 Muzaffarnagar in criminal revision number 290 of 2013, Devendra Kumar Garg and Pavan Kumar Goyal, as well as the entire proceedings of criminal complaint case number 152/9 of 2013, Pavan Kumar Goyal versus Devendra Kumar Garg under section 138 of NI Act, Police Station Civil Lines, District Muzaffarnagar, presently pending before the court of learned ACJM, Second Muzaffarnagar, full stop D court, para. Heard Shri Amit Daga, learned counsel for the applicant, Shri Ajay Kumar Sharma, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the state, OP number 2, is represented through his counsel Shri Pankaj Bharti, but none appeared on his behalf even in the revised call, and the judgment was reserved, full stop, para. The facts as narrated in the application are as follows, para. First, the OP number 2 filed a criminal complaint against the applicant under section 138 of the NI Act before the court of learned additional chief judicial magistrate court number 2nd Muzaffarnagar on 28/1/2013, full stop. In the complaint, it was alleged that the complainant's firm indulged in the business of machineries and the accused / applicant was running a chemical factory in the name and style Ravi Organics Limited, full stop. It was further alleged that during the course of transaction, accused applicant being director of his firm issued one check bearing number 802275 dated 31/10/2012 of rupees 10 lakhs payable at Union Bank of India, Muzaffarnagar, full stop. It was further alleged in the complaint that the said check was deposited in the complainant's bank at State Bank of Patiala, Court Road, Muzaffarnagar for encashment. However, the same was returned by the bankers of the accused applicant with an endorsement exceeds arrangement, full stop. It was further alleged that complainant sent one registered legal demand notice to the applicant on 29/12/2012 through registered post. However, when the amount was not paid, the aforesaid complaint was filed full stop para second on the basis of the complaint as well as other materials on record. The learned magistrate took cognizance and called the complainant to record his statement under section 200 CRPC full stop. The complainant filed the statement by way of an affidavit full stop on the basis of materials available on record. The learned ACJM court number 2nd Muzaffarnagar took cognizance by order dated 17/7/2013 full stop para 3rd. The applicant being aggrieved by the summoning order dated 17/7/2013 preferred a criminal revision number 290 of 2013 before the additional sessions judge Muzaffarnagar, which was dismissed by the learned sessions court on 17/7/2013 full stop over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया है, इसमें नाम आ गए हैं, है ना, लेकिन नाम इजी नाम आए, ज़्यादा बड़े बड़े नाम नहीं आए और हम इसलिए धीमे भी हो गए थे। तो पवन कैसे बनेगा, पहले तो मुजफ्फरनगर बना लीजिए। मुजफ्फर एम थ्रो द लाइन आउटलाइन जाएगी, तो एम बनाइए, जे थ्रो द लाइन जाएगा, उसी में एफ आर निकलेगा, ओरिजिनल वर्जन एफ आर, और उसी को एन से काट दीजिए या एन से डिसजॉइन कर दीजिए मुजफ्फरनगर के लिए, सिर्फ नगर के लिए, ठीक है, मुजफ्फर बना के। तो मुजफ्फरनगर हो गया। अब पवन कुमार गोयल, पवन बनेगा, पी बनाइए अबव द लाइन, फिर वे बनाइए, वे बना के एन का हुक लगा दीजिए, ठीक है, और दैट की वावल वे के आफ्टर में पवन। कुमार तो बता चुके हैं, गोयल भी गे और अपवर्ड गे ये और डाउनवर्ड एल, ठीक है। देवेंद्र बनेगा, डी बनाइए और वी की डबलिंग करके एन का हुक लगा दीजिए, वो देवेंद्र हो गया। और गर्ग के लिए कैरेक्टर की आउटलाइन बनाइए, कैरेक्टर का जो कॉन्ट्रैक्शन है ना, कैरेक्टर का, हाँ, कैरेक्टर का जो ग्रामोलॉग है या कॉन्ट्रैक्शन है वो बनाइए, के आर की डबलिंग और डबल डैश, गर्ग हो जाएगा। देवेंद्र कुमार गर्ग हो गया, पवन कुमार गोयल हो गया, और क्या है, पंकज भारती, ये पंकज भी पूरा बनेगा पी एन के और जे, भारती भी पूरा बनेगा बी आर डाउन, बी अपवर्ड आर टी, और बी को काट दीजिए भा के लिए। और कोई नाम नहीं है, ठीक है। तो ऐसे हो जाएगा ये। तो जो नए लोग हों वो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, बेल आइकन दबा दीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब हो जाए, लाइक ज़्यादा कर दीजिएगा, लाइक करने से वीडियो फ्लोट करती है ना। तो चलिए फिर अगले डिक्टेशन में मिलेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू।